Welcome to Heartfelt Growth. If you're a skinny guy who's tired of being stuck in the same place and ready to transform your body into a muscular, strong physique, then this video is for you. We're going to break down 20 essential tips that will help you bulk up, increase your strength, and gain muscle mass effectively. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid game plan to achieve your muscle building goals. Let's get started. Number 1. Set clear and realistic goals. The first step on your muscle building journey is to set clear and realistic goals. Whether you want to gain 10 pounds of muscle in the next 6 months or add an inch to your arms, having specific targets will give you direction and motivation. Break down your long-term goals into smaller milestones to keep track of your progress and celebrate your successes along the way. Number 2. Eat a caloric surplus with the right macronutrients. To gain muscle, you must eat more calories than your body burns daily. However, it's not just about eating more, it's about eating the right kinds of foods. Focus on a diet that's rich in proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Aim to consume at least 500 additional calories per day to start seeing results. Quality matters, so prioritize whole foods like lean meats, whole grains, vegetables, and healthy fats from sources like avocados and nuts. Number 3. Prioritize protein intake. Protein is the building block of muscle. Without sufficient protein, your body won't have the necessary resources to repair and grow muscle tissue after workouts. Aim to consume between 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. Include high-quality protein sources like chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, and legumes in every meal to ensure you're meeting your muscle building needs. Number 4. Strength training is key. Focus on compound movements. When it comes to building muscle, not all exercises are created equal. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups should be the foundation of your strength training program. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups at once, allowing you to lift heavier weights and stimulate more muscle growth compared to isolation exercises. Number 5. Implement progressive overload in your workouts. Progressive overload is the practice of gradually increasing the weight, frequency, or intensity of your workouts to continuously challenge your muscles. By consistently pushing your limits, your muscles will adapt and grow stronger. Track your workouts and make small, incremental increases in the weight you lift or the number of reps you perform each week. Number 6. Carbohydrates are your friend. Don't skip them. Carbs are your body's primary source of energy, especially during high-intensity workouts. Incorporating complex carbohydrates like oats, brown rice, sweet potatoes, and whole grains into your diet will ensure you have the energy to power through your training sessions and replenish your glycogen stores afterward. Number 7. Consistency is crucial for success. Building muscle is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is perhaps the most important factor in achieving your muscle building goals. Stick to your workout routine and diet plan consistently, even on days when motivation is low. Remember, progress comes from showing up day after day, week after week. Number 8. Prioritize sleep for optimal recovery. Muscle growth doesn't happen in the gym, it happens when you rest, especially during sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your muscles to repair and grow. Poor sleep can hinder your recovery and lead to suboptimal performance in your workouts. Number 9. Stay hydrated to support muscle function. Water plays a crucial role in every bodily function, including muscle growth. Staying hydrated helps maintain muscle function and supports recovery. Aim to drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water daily, especially on workout days. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and decreased performance. Number 10. Consider supplements for an extra edge. While whole foods should be your primary source of nutrients, supplements can provide an extra boost to your muscle building efforts. Consider adding whey protein, creatine, and branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, to your regimen. Creatine, in particular, has been proven to enhance muscle mass, strength, and overall performance. Number 11. Track your progress and adjust accordingly. Monitoring your progress is essential for staying on track. Keep a workout journal or use a fitness app to track your exercises, sets, reps, and the amount of weight you lift. Also, keep an eye on your diet, body measurements, and overall strength. If you notice that progress is stalling, don't be afraid to adjust your workout routine or calorie intake. Number 12. Incorporate rest days to avoid overtraining. Overtraining can be detrimental to your progress. It can lead to injury, fatigue, and burnout. Schedule at least 1 or 2 rest days each week to allow your muscles to fully recover. On these days, focus on light activities like walking or stretching to keep your body active without overloading it. Number 13. Focus on proper form to prevent injuries. Lifting heavy weights is important for muscle growth, but doing so with improper form can lead to injuries that set you back for weeks or even months. Always prioritize proper form, especially when performing compound movements. If you're unsure about your form, consider working with a trainer or filming yourself to review your technique. Number 14. Eat more frequently to fuel your body. Instead of sticking to 3 large meals, try eating 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day. This approach ensures your body has a constant supply of nutrients to support muscle growth and recovery. Each meal should contain a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to keep your energy levels stable and your muscles fed. Number 15. Incorporate healthy fats for hormone production. Healthy fats are essential for the production of hormones like testosterone, which plays a key role in muscle growth. Include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your diet. These fats also help with nutrient absorption and provide a long-lasting source of energy. Number 16. Vary your workout routine to avoid plateaus. If you've been doing the same workout routine for months, you might hit a plateau where progress stalls. To keep your muscles growing, switch up your exercises, rep ranges, and workout intensity every 4 to 6 weeks. This variation will keep your muscles guessing and promote continuous growth. Number 17. Maintain a positive mindset and be patient. Building muscle as a skinny guy can be frustrating at times, especially when progress seems slow. It's important to maintain a positive mindset and be patient with your journey. Celebrate small victories and remind yourself that every workout, meal, and rest day is bringing you closer to your goals. Number 18. Focus on recovery techniques like stretching and foam rolling. Recovery is not just about rest. Incorporate techniques like stretching, foam rolling, and massage into your routine to improve muscle flexibility, reduce soreness, and speed up recovery. These practices help maintain your mobility and prevent injuries that can derail your progress. Number 19. Seek guidance from a professional trainer. If you're new to strength training or struggling to see results, consider working with a professional trainer. A trainer can create a personalized workout plan tailored to your specific goals and needs. They can also help you with proper form, technique, and progression, ensuring you maximize your muscle building efforts. Number 20. Stay committed and never give up. The road to gaining muscle as a skinny guy is not easy, but it's definitely worth it. Stay committed to your goals, keep pushing yourself, and never give up. Remember that every workout, every meal, and every hour of sleep is a step closer to the physique you want. You've got this. And there you have it, 20 powerful tips to help you gain muscle as a skinny guy. Remember, success comes from consistency, dedication, and a positive mindset. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and keep pushing toward your goals. We'll see you in the next video.